Hi friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make biscuit salami. If you want to know how easy it is to make this recipe, stay tuned and watch me.
You want a little bit?
No, please. Have some at home.
So, how are the twins, Rosalie?
So let me show you what we need for this recipe. Well, I have here 500 grams of biscuits, 200 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of butter, and 100 grams of Turkish delight. And I'm gonna add a little bit of rum just for the flavor. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna break the biscuits with the fingers. Now the second step, I'm gonna make the mix for our salami. Now I'm gonna put the 100 grams of Turkish delight and the mixture over the biscuits, and then I'm gonna mix it together. Well, the salami is ready. Now I'm gonna let it in the fridge for 5 hours, and then I'm coming back to taste it. Well, our salami is ready. Now let's try it. Look how beautiful it is. It's delicious.
What's wrong with you?
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the like button, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.